Here's how to check your Android phone's clipboard history. First, go to any app where you can type, like Chrome for instance. Next, tap on the text field so the keyboard appears on the screen. Now, tap on the globe icon left to the spacebar. This will open the Keyboard Tools menu. Here, tap on the 4 square icon. Look for the clipboard icon. Press and hold the clipboard icon and drag it to the top section for quick access. Now, tap on the clipboard icon. The first time you open it, you may see a message saying, "Turn on clipboard." Tap on it. From now on, anything you copy on your phone will automatically appear in your clipboard history. To verify, open any website and copy the text. Go back to the clipboard option and open it. Here you can see the copied text. And that's it.